Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel Tech with Ninana. Today we are going to discuss crypto trading, a topic that has gained significant popularity in recent years. Crypto trading is the act of buying and selling digital currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins on financial exchanges. It's a great way to invest in digital assets and potentially earn a return on your investment. To begin with, it's essential to understand the basic principles of crypto trading. First, all cryptocurrencies are decentralized digital currencies, which means they don't have a central authority or governing body. They are traded on cryptocurrency exchanges, where buyers and sellers interact over a digital platform. One of the key factors in crypto trading is volatility. Volatility refers to the fluctuations in price of a cryptocurrency. When the market is volatile, there is a higher risk of big price swings. However, this also represents opportunities for traders to make profitable trades. When it comes to crypto trading, it's crucial to use a reliable trading platform. A good platform will have user-friendly interface, low fees, and efficient order processing. It's also essential to educate yourself on the market and develop a trading strategy that suits your risk tolerance and investment goals. In conclusion, crypto trading can be an exciting and profitable investment opportunity for those willing to take on the risk. However, it's important to approach it with a clear understanding of the market and the risk involved. With the right knowledge and platform, you can effectively navigate the world of crypto trading and potentially earn significant returns. Remember, always diversify your portfolio and stay informed to make informed decisions. Happy trading once again, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hope to hear from you in the comment section.